Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to effectively use Zwift Power. This powerful platform provides in-depth analytics for all your Zwift rides and races. It helps you deeply understand your performance, track your progress over time, and compare yourself fairly against other riders. Accessing this detailed data is absolutely crucial for any serious Zwift rider aiming for consistent improvement and honest competition. You will gain valuable, actionable insights to refine your training strategies immediately. Connecting your Zwift account to Zwift Power is the essential first step. Simply navigate to the Zwift Power website, then create an account or log in using your existing Zwift credentials. Afterward, make sure your Zwift profile is set to public. This allows your data to be pulled across automatically. Finally, confirm the connection status in your Zwift Power profile settings, ensuring everything is linked correctly. This synchronization enables all your ride data to flow seamlessly. Once connected, dive into your ride data to understand your performance. Focus on key metrics like average power, normalized power, and your crucial watts per kilogram, especially over 20-minute intervals. Evaluate your power curve to pinpoint where your strengths lie, perhaps over 5 minutes or 1 minute. Comparing these figures against your past rides will clearly show your progress and identify areas for improvement. This detailed analysis helps you make informed training decisions. Zwift Power truly shines when analyzing race and event results. You can access comprehensive breakdowns for every competition you enter, seeing precisely how you stacked up against your peers. Observe how others performed in your specific category, identifying stronger riders and learning from their efficient pacing strategies. Furthermore, understand the robust anti-sandbagging measures. These ensure fair category placement for everyone, preventing riders from competing below their true ability. It truly levels the playing field.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.